In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert PSD or AI files into HTML using Figma. This is a super useful skill for web developers, designers, or anyone who wants to turn a stunning design into a fully functional web page. And don't worry, we'll go step by step so you can follow along easily and get great results. Let's dive right in and begin by opening up your web browser and heading over to Figma's website. If you already have an account with Figma, you're all set to go. Just click the login button and enter your credentials to access your workspace. For those of you who don't have an account yet, no worries. It's pretty straightforward to register, and within moments, you'll be all set up and ready to begin. Once you're logged into Figma, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your main dashboard where you can see all your recent projects and find options to create new ones. It's essentially your hub for organizing and starting your work, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout if you're new to the platform. Now let's get to the exciting part, transforming designs into something truly interactive. Click on the Design tab. This is where all the creative magic unfolds. Spend some time getting comfortable with the various tools and the overall layout of this section, as it is where you'll be channeling most of your creativity and focus. Next up, open the Action menu. Here you'll see a wide array of useful features, including extensions designed to facilitate specific tasks. In the search bar within this menu, type in Codia AI PSD to Figma. This nifty tool allows you to seamlessly bring your PSD or AI files into Figma, automatically converting them into editable layers and components. It's quite fascinating how efficient it makes the previously cumbersome task of porting designs to a digital format. By now, you have effectively set the stage for transforming your PSD or AI designs into HTML. After importing your designs, you can start refining them within Figma, making any necessary adjustments or customizations. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to export them into a code-ready format for your web projects. And just like that, using these steps, you can convert static design files into dynamic, interactive web pages. Remember, mastering this process is all about practice. The more you experiment, the more confident you'll become with each attempt. Thank you for tuning in today. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below, letting me know what kind of design tips or tutorials you'd like to see next time. Happy designing!